Hi, this is Drew with Daniels Ag Services with your midday Wilkins Ag Wire report. March Madness has officially started. You could say we've had a little bit of that yesterday with the Fed announcement, but the basketball tournament starts today. So unless you're playing Arkansas, I wish your team good luck if they're in the field of 64 moving forward. But we did get a little bit of March Madness yesterday when the Fed announcement removed the word patience from their overall outlook on raising interest rates. So we saw a lot of action. The last 15 minutes of the grain session went from pretty much lower across the board to higher across the board based on that, as the US dollar took a huge hit. So that was the big story yesterday. The dollar had a huge trading range yesterday. I don't know if it was algos or what came in. Some stops got triggered some huge selling. Basically a little bit of a flash crash. Went from, I think, the high of over 100.18 or something like that all the way down to 95 and some change, I think, yesterday, before it settled out towards the close, I believe in the 98 area, and we're trading the 99s this morning. But anyhow, brought out a ton of volatility yesterday, but provided a little bit of the grain or boost to the grain markets heading into the close. So that was made for some fireworks yesterday. We did get export sales announced this morning. Everything pretty much came in within trade's expectations. China did cancel some beans, so that's pressuring the bean market here a little bit this morning. But as we stand here at around 10:30 in the morning, corn and beans are slightly lower and wheat is slightly higher. So not a whole lot of fluctuations in the prices so far during the trading session today. One thing we do have our eye on is Inform is going to be releasing their planted acreage estimates for tomorrow. So starting to get the private analyst estimates out. As we know, we've got the big stocks and seedings report coming up on March 31st. So that's all we've got for today. If you've got any questions, let me know. Otherwise, we'll see you tomorrow.
This material is conveyed as a solicitation for entering into a derivatives transaction. This material has been prepared by a Daniels trading broker who provides research, market commentary, and trade recommendations as part of his or her solicitation for accounts and solicitation for trades. Daniels Trading, its principals, brokers, and employees may trade in derivatives for their own accounts or for the accounts of others. Due to various factors such as risk tolerance, margin requirements, trading objectives, short-term versus long-term strategies, technical versus fundamental market analysis, and other factors, such trading may result in the initiation or liquidation of positions that are different from or contrary to the opinions and recommendations contained therein. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance. The risk of loss in trading futures contracts or commodity options can be substantial, and therefore investors should understand the risks involved in taking leveraged positions and must assume responsibility for the risks associated with such investments and for their results. You should carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances and financial resources. You should read the risk disclosure accessed at www.danielstrading.com. Daniels Trading is not affiliated with, nor does it endorse any trading system, newsletter, or similar service. Daniels Trading does not guarantee or verify any performance claims made by such systems or services.